Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love making beauty videos, makeup videos, unboxing videos. I also have a 20-month-old son, so I make a ton of mommy and toddler and baby related content. So if you're into that, I would love it if you subscribed and stuck around. But today we are unboxing the Trendmood Volume 11 box. If you are unfamiliar, Trendmood is a pretty big Instagram page. She posts a bunch of beauty news, new products, sneak peeks, things like that. And she now has this, it's not a subscription service, so I can't call it that, but basically it's a monthly, bi-monthly beauty box that's filled with tons of goodies from really good brands. Sometimes the products are new, sometimes they're oldies but goodies. It just depends. They're different every single time a new box comes out. I've gotten one other of these before, and it's always so hard to catch them. They sell out really, really fast, but this one I'm so glad I was able to buy because, so you know what products are in there ahead of time. And one of the products was the Tatcha Luminous powder. And if you watched my Sephora haul video, I was this close to purchasing that during the Sephora sale. And I was like, you know what? No, I think I'll pass. But the price of that powder was the price of this entire box. So basically I'm paying for the powder and then getting everything else in this box for free. So yeah, this box is not available anymore. They do sell out pretty dang quickly, but if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely follow the Trendmood box. I think I'll link it down below, Instagram page, so you can see what the next box will have. How cool would it be, you guys, to have like your own subscription box where you get to decide what products go in there? Like how fun. I'm super jealous. So here's what the inside looks like. We'll go ahead and open this baby up together. I think there was only 4 products in this one, but they're really good products. So I'm pretty dang excited about it. Yeah. Okay, biggest thing in here, biggest box is by Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. Smoothing and moisturizing. So the watermelon line by Glow Recipe smells really, really good in my opinion. If you like that sweet, like Jolly Rancher watermelon smell, then you'll love this whole Watermelon Glow line. They have a bunch of stuff. This is the newest, and I think this product is being debuted in this box, which is really super cool. I'm always into body creams. My skin is really dry all the time, so the box is so cute. Honestly, I truly did not care what else was in the box. I was just so excited to get the Tatcha powder, which I'll pull out next. But this is probably something I will really like. Okay, the first pump is always, come on. Yep, it definitely has that lovely watermelon scent. Oh, it smells so good. Nice and hydrating too. Not sticky, not slippery, just nice feeling. Let's talk about the magical Tatcha powder, shall we? So I have the liquid version and the solid version of the Luminous Silk Primer. So this is part of the whole Luminous Silk line. It's the silk powder. It's basically just a loose powder that you can use to set your under eyes, set your face, but it's supposed to give that same like luminous, silky effect that the others in the line do. So radiant, translucent setting powder. This sounds like a dream for setting your under eyes. Can't wait to try it out. Packaging is really nice. It feels slightly less heavy than I was expecting, but sometimes Tatcha's packaging is a little underwhelming. But so it has this like plastic stopper around where the powder comes out. Are you supposed to keep putting that back? I don't know. I didn't really like read the instructions, although you shouldn't have to read the instructions for like a powder. Very interesting. Okay, just a tiny bit came out. Let me see. You know what? I was gonna put it on a brush, but I kind of just want to. Feels very soft. I don't see like a glow from it, which is good because I don't like glowy powders. I just want something that's like hydrating and like lit from within. So I have a feeling this is gonna be good. I've heard mixed reviews on this though, so we'll have to see. I'm really excited to have it though. Okay, next thing in here is by Biosense. Biosense. I don't know why I want to say Bioessence. It's Biosense. And this is their Squalene and BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. Now this feels like heavy, substantial packaging, like glass bottle. The box itself just feels very heavy. I have tried one other thing by this brand before. I've tried the sunscreen and I do like it. So I'm very hopeful for this product. It says facial toner visibly tightens large pores. And that's it. I mean, who doesn't want their pores to be disappeared, right? I mean, I do. Just curious what it smells like. All I can smell is the watermelon glow from Glow Recipe. So I'm like, does it smell like watermelon? I don't think so. I don't think it has a scent. Okay, last thing in the box is by Dominique Cosmetics, and I don't have too much from that line. I do have her latte palette, or at least I did at one point. I think I might have decluttered it a little while back, but it was really good. It was just getting old and I wasn't using it very much. This one is more on like the pink side, if I remember correctly from the sneak peeks. Packaged really well. I love the bubble wrap. Make sure it doesn't break or anything like that. So this is the To Make History, I think is what it's called. I'm not sure if that's the name or what. Maybe it's the Get It Girl palette. I'm not sure exactly what this one is called, but I do know it was sold out. So they were like, sold out palette is in the Trendmood box. So I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what the name of it is. There's lots of like sayings and stuff all over. It's really cute packaging. It's all about like girl power. There's champagne glasses on here, pink eyeshadow, a pink blazer. Never apologize for being a powerful woman. Like, I love the theme of the palette just by looking at the packaging. So let's see the inside. Ooh. First thing my eyes goes to is that pressed glitter, definitely. But these are colors that I love. I love that color Self-Made. It's kind of like that taupey pink. Wow, yeah, these are really pretty colors. I can see why this sold out. Okay guys, well that is my little unboxing of the Trendmood Volume 11 box. If you're interested in this type of thing, I will link the Trendmood box Instagram and website down below so you can keep an eye on the next box. But other than that, I'll talk to you next time. Bye!